So I'm back outside, hopefully to do the final bit of the fitting of the chain oiler. It's absolutely scorching out here today, so hopefully I don't get too hot. So last time, if you remember, the little Y connector came off the end of the tube, so to make sure that doesn't happen again, I've just put a cable tie around. I know ideally you should use hose clamps, but this hose is so tiny I don't have any clamps small enough. So I want to get it dripping actually directly onto a sprocket this time, using physics to sort of spin the oil out. Obviously I've got the choice of the rear sprocket or the front one. I'm just trying to work out which is going to be easiest to go on. So after a good look, it appears that getting on the front sprocket is going to be easiest for me. I can use one of the engine mounts as a sort of a base point. So I've cut the two tubes to size and I put all the way inside the same like brazing wire. It says it's bendable. There's nothing stopping it falling out, but what I'm thinking and hoping is that when it's sort of bent into shape, it will kind of self-secure itself. That's not very good way of saying it, but hopefully you know what I mean. Like that bit of wire now can't really fall out. So I mounted the reservoir up on my oil tank here, and also just cable tied on with a couple of those brackets I printed. It seemed to work alright, and let's just hope they don't melt. And we've got the solenoid kind of directly below, and we go around the corner. I don't know how easy this is going to be able to see. So that's the Y junction, and then we come down, and the tube kind of curls around. Hopefully won't get snarled with the chain.